Alrighty, bro. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing my little game. So if you don't wanna watch, it's up to you, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna actually edit this time. I know you guys are proud of me. I know you guys thought last video was mediocre, huh? I can tell. I can tell. Anyways, I'm gonna let you get to watching. Anyways, like Loki, I have not been posting anything, so I wanted to get something out. So I'm just gonna play something I enjoy playing alone. Yeah, I'll just edit some stuff. I probably won't talk much, to be honest, bro. I literally don't speak a word when I'm playing these games. But yeah. What? Okay. I ain't even complaining, bro. We good tonight. We real good. Yep. Yeah, this build's crazy, bro. One shot. No, this is good. Oh yeah, we real good. Dude, I haven't got this one. It's such good items, bro. Physical. I'm gonna have to take that tax, bro. Bro, how do I never have all my meter? Now I gotta switch. Just tank. I'm just tank. Fight back. I'm just tank. Just keep going. Yeah. What? Nah. No! I appreciate it to the probably 3 people who watch all the way to the end. I'm probably gonna make a Spelunky video next, most likely. I'm not sure, but you know, you'll see. You'll see.